Welcome to Atul Machine Tools, manufacturer and exporter of grinding and cylindrical grinding machines. An ISO 9001-2000 certified company, established in 1994, at Rajkot, we are well known as AARTI brand. Lathe and Pulley cast are some of our prestigious clients, and we are supported by market-leading prices and multiple payment options. We offer a wide array of heavy-duty precision lathe, planer type, and all-geared lathe machines. Grinding and lathe machines offered by us are acknowledged for their functionality. Our heavy-duty precision lathe and surface grinding machines are best in the industry amongst others. We also provide light-duty precision lathe and cylindrical grinding machines that are setting a benchmark in the market. We are known in the industry as the manufacturer of planer type and all-geared lathe machines. Our cone pulley and belt-driven lathe machines are widely demanded in the market. To get more information, log on at www.indiamart.com/atulmachine.